Hello, nice to have you in today's training. We will explore how to choose the right high income skill. The purpose of this training, like I said, is for you to be able to know the right skill that can really profit you, because you cannot choose a skill because people are choosing it, or maybe because people are really in it, but you have to choose a skill because it's profitable. All right, so let's get into it. Why choosing the right skill matters. Number one, some skills pay more than others. So because some skills pay more than others, that is why you need to think before you can choose a skill. Do not just choose a skill, choose the right skill. In fact, you will be working less and then you'll be getting more money. But when you choose the wrong skill, you will be working so hard and then getting less money, and that is not your dream or your prayer, right? So I'm sure everyone want to really earn from whatever skills they are learning, all right, and not just to earn little but to earn more money. Okay, then the next thing is some skills are in higher demand. Okay, there are some skills that if you learn them, people will look for you in order for you to render services for them. All right, so but when you learn some skills also, no one will look for you. Like, let's take for instance people who go to school, they study maybe in institutions. When they graduated, there are some courses that they will graduate, they're not going to see any job. I don't want to give examples, but you know what I'm talking about. All right, so but there are some courses that the moment they graduated, they are just waiting for them to be graduated so that they will offer them jobs, right? So, and that is the reason why you don't have to learn the skill that will not give you a job. So just look for a skill that is high in demand and then you learn it. Then the next thing is that the right skill should be able to match your interest. So your interest, okay, matters a lot when it comes to choosing a skill. So you should be able to understand what you are good at, and then before you can be able to choose a skill. All right, so choosing the right skill matters because of these three things. Some skills pay more than others, some are in high demand, then the right skill also should match your interest. So one of the keys I want us to take is that choose a skill you can master, then enjoy, and also make money from. The next thing, we are going to be talking about copywriting as the number one skill, the power of persuasion. So what is copywriting? Copywriting is writing words that sell. All right, so copywriting is a high demand for sales copy. Many people are really demanding copywriters because they cannot do without them. Many companies really like to hire copywriters so that they can write their sales copy for them. All right, so that is why copywriting is a kind of high demand skill. Copywriters can earn from $100 to $1,000 per project. Then copywriters can also work as a freelancer, or they can start their own business as well. So copywriting is best for those who enjoy writing and storytelling. So if you are a person who enjoy writing and storytelling, then you can be a good copywriter. So you can go and learn copywriting. Okay, so like in our courses, we have copywriting course, so you can start from it, and then after you have learned here, then if you are not really well grounded, you can still go in search for other courses. All right, but our own here is to guide you on the right courses that you can be able to take in order for you to learn and develop your skills. All right, the next thing, AI tools and automation. So what is AI automation? AI automation is using AI tools like ChatGPT for business automation. All right, so businesses are really investing in AI because AI is indispensable. AI is very, very important. A lot of businesses that AI has already taken them high. AI has elevated a lot of businesses because AI is a kind of technology that has driven many businesses to the peak. All right, so and that is why AI is very important. And then many people are still looking for people that can be able to work for them. And then another thing you can do again is that you can sell AI automation services. So having learned AI automation, like AI tools and automation, can be able to sell your services to many companies, many businesses, and then you gain from it. Or when you learn AI tools and automation, it will help you to work smarter and faster. All right, there's no anything that you cannot do with AI tools automation. You can also use AI to do copywriting. You can use AI to do lead generation and other things as well. If you are a tech lover and a problem solver, then AI tools and automation should be your desired skill. Next, we're going to talk about lead generation. Lead generation is helping businesses get clients. So what is lead generation? Finding potential customers for businesses. Businesses always need customers. All right, so every time and every day businesses need customers. Why? Because no business grow without customers, and that is why lead generation is very important. So there are ways that you can generate leads. There are ways that you can also bring customers to businesses. Okay, so and that is why you need to study lead generation in order for you to be able to know how to generate customers. People who are good at lead generation earn about $500 to $5,000 per month. Then they can also work with multiple clients. Okay, then this is very best for those who enjoy marketing and data. If you are enjoying marketing and data, then lead generation is a skill that you should go for. All right, the next thing is digital marketing, growing businesses online. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is promoting businesses via SEO, social media, and ads. Every business needs digital marketing because no any business will grow without advertisement. All right, so and that is why every business needs digital marketing. And those people who also study digital marketing or learn digital marketing, they specialize in SEO, PPC, or social media. All right, they specialize in search engine optimization, also pay-per-click, and then social media. Okay, so and that's why it's good for you to learn digital marketing so that you can be able to profit from that skill. Now, if you also learn digital marketing, you can also start your own freelancing or agency, right? So this skill is best for social media lovers. So if you are a social media lovers, this is a very wonderful skill for you. So you can start learning digital marketing and grow your business. The next thing is website design and development. What is website design? It's creating and optimizing websites. Every business needs a website. Okay, so you don't need to be told. Everyone knows that every business needs a website. Okay, so you cannot limit your business like in one place. You know that the goal is global, so that is why you need to just expand your reach. Because if your business is only in one place, you have limited customers. There is limitation to what you can be able to achieve. A lot of ways that you can create a website without spending too much money. All right, so that's why no coding platforms come into play. So you see, with WordPress and Wix, you can create a website without coding. All right, so as a web designer or web developer, all right, so you can be able to use WordPress or Wix and be able to design your websites. Okay, so it's also best for creative and then detail oriented people. All right, so it's a very wonderful skill that can also fetch you a lot tons of money. All right, web designers, they also earn from $500 to $3,000 per project. Okay, so any successful project, they can earn up to from $500 to $3,000. So that's why you need to learn the digital skill. You need to learn web design as well if you are really someone who is creative and then detail oriented. All right, the next thing is how to choose the right skill. Now, for you to choose the right skill, there are some questions we need to consider. Number one question: do you enjoy writing or storytelling? All right, if you enjoy writing or storytelling, copywriting is for you. What about automation? Do you love AI and automation? If you love AI and automation, then AI tools are for you. Do you like working with businesses? If you like working with businesses, then lead generation is for you. Are you passionate about marketing? Or if you're passionate about marketing, then digital marketing is for you. Do you enjoy design and building? If you enjoy design and building, then web design is for you. Pick one skill from among the skills that we have mentioned, then master one, and then add another or add more to them. All right, so you don't have to learn everything at once, because if you say you're going to be learning everything at once, you end up getting none, because you become like a jack of all trades and master of none. All right, so try to learn one digital skill first before you think of learning the other. Okay, it could be copywriting, it could be AI tools, it could be lead generation, it could be digital marketing, it could be website design, it could be any other skill, even the ones we have not mentioned here. But the next thing, how to start monetizing your skills. You learn skills, you need to monetize them. All right, so you have to learn the basics of monetizing the skills. Okay, so there are a lot of courses that are going to be teaching you how you can be able to monetize your skills. You can watch some free courses in YouTube, and you can also watch in Udemy, right? Because Udemy is a very wonderful place where you can learn as many courses as you wish. All right, so there is no any amount that is too much for you to invest in yourself. And then when it comes to learning, investing in yourself is not a bad idea. It is always a good idea, because you are investing for a long time, okay, or for a lifetime. So the moment you know something, that thing will help you. All right, so that is the reason. And then in here we may have courses related to that, we may not have. So if we don't have, you have to go look for them wherever you can find them, so that you can be able to learn how you can be able to monetize your skills and profit from it. You will not learn a skill that you will not profit from, right? So that is it. Then the next thing is practice. Work on small projects. Okay, so you don't need to start big. As you have learned a skill, either copywriting, either AI automation, either digital marketing or website design, then you have to also work on small projects in order to see how you can be able to make progress. Then number 3, create a portfolio. You need a portfolio. Okay, show your work. So you can start by just creating a landing page in order to showcase your work. Okay, so that is it, so that at least people can see what you can do, and then they can also hire you for you to do a little work or some work for them. Then offer services, start freelancing. That's important. If you learned, you need to also offer your services. Can offer people either at low cost, or you can offer them at a kind of free cost. For you to be known, you have to start somewhere. All right, so that is why you need to be able to offer them so you can get your clients. Okay, that leads us to the 5th point. Okay, for you to get your first clients, you have to offer free services or low cost work so you can be able to get clients. Then the next thing is the action plan in the next step. So choose one skill that excites you, then research free learning resources, practice at least 1 hour a day. All right, then you can join communities and also network. So the right skill can really change your life. So I implore you to start today, and you will see your life being changed. All right, so thank you for watching this video. if you find this video interesting, please, I want you to comment, I want you to like this video, and I also want you to share this video to people so that they can see it and also benefit from it. So thanks for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video.